Ninth grade physics, part 2, numbers 26 through 50. Starting at number 26, it reads, what would the y-intercept tell you for the graph at right? A, the elevation decreases as temperature increase. B, the expected temperature is at 0 meters elevation is 20 degrees Celsius. C, the average temperature for this mountain is about 12 degrees Celsius. Below right is a position time graph for two squirrels named A and B running along a path. Use the graph to answer the next two questions. 27. At time t equals 2 seconds, which statement is true? A, squirrel A is running in a negative direction. C, squirrel A is running faster than squirrel B. C, squirrel A is running faster than squirrel B. D, squirrel B is running faster than squirrel A. 28. At time t equals 5 seconds, which statement is true? A, squirrel A and squirrel B are running at the same speed. B, squirrel A is running faster than squirrel B. Or C, squirrel B is running faster than squirrel A. 29. Sally Forth went for a hike. Which of the following best describes her trip as shown on the position time graph at right? B, Sally walked in a negative direction for a while, then stopped for a while, then walked forward a short way. C, Sally walked down a steep slope, then walked on a flat section, then walked up a short hill. D, during the first 2 weeks, Sally's speed decreased a lot, then stayed slow and steady for a while, then increased again for the last couple of seconds. 30. Which of the below velocity time graphs shows Sally velocity during her hike? A, B, C, or D? What is her velocity? Next page, 31. Consider the velocity versus time graph at right. Describe the motion of objects A and B. A, object A is not moving, and object B is moving backwards at a constant velocity. B, object A is moving at a constant velocity, and object B is slowing down. Or D, object A is not moving and object B is slowing down. Next section. There is a motion of an object during 16-second time interval as shown at right. The next three questions refer to this graph. 32. What is the object's position at the point indicated by the dot on the graph? A, 14 meters. B, 6 meters. D, 2 meters. 33. What is the total distance did it travel at 16 seconds shown? A, 16 meters. C, 8 meters. D, 6 meters. 34. What distance did the object travel between the times of t equals 4 seconds and t equals 12 seconds? A, 0 meters. B, 4 meters. Or C, 8 meters. Use the position time graph at right to answer the next four questions. The number lines each represent the position of an object at different times. 35. Which line plots the motion of an object in the negative direction for the entire time shown? B4, C6, or D8. 36. Which graph shows two objects that start moving from the same location? Same location, is it A, line W, B, line X, or C, line Y? 37. How do you describe the motion of object 6? Find 6. A, moving forward at a small constant speed. B, moving across a level surface. C, not moving. 38. Which of the following best describes the motion of objects 3 and 4? B, object 3 is moving faster than object 4. C, object 3 and 4 both move up hills, but object 3 moves up a taller hill. Or D, both are moving at constant speed, but object 3 starts more forward than object 4. Next page, 39. A position time graph of a cockroach is shown at right. What is the speed of the cockroach? A, 1 centimeter per second. C, that was B, 1 centimeter per second, C, 2 centimeters per second, or D, 4 centimeters per second. The graph below represents the motion of a runner. Use this answers to the next 3 questions. 40. During which time intervals was the person stopped? When was the person not running? A, 0 to 8 seconds, B, 8 to 9 seconds, or C, 9 to 15 seconds. 41. What was his speed at time equals 5 seconds? A, 0 meters per second, C, 2 meters per second, or D, 5 meters per second. 42. What is happening during the time intervals between 11 and 15 seconds? A, the person is standing still at a location of 4 meters behind the starting line. B, the person has just taken 3 steps down a staircase. Or D, the person is moving at a constant velocity of 4 meters per second in the negative direction. 43. Describe what motion must be done to produce the velocity time graph shown below. What motion is going on here? A, the object is rolling down a hill and then traveling on level ground. B, the object is moving backwards at a constant velocity, then stopping. C, the object is slowing down and then stopping. Turning the page over, 44. Using the graph at right for information, describe in words the motion of the object from 0 to 6 seconds. What is the motion? A, the object is at rest for 2 seconds, then moves forward at a constant velocity for 4 seconds. B, the object moves at a constant velocity for 2 seconds, then speeds up for 4 seconds. Or D, the object is at rest for 2 seconds and then speeds up for 4 seconds. 45. Which description best fits the motion shown in the speed versus time graph at right? A, the object sped up, moved at a constant speed, then sped up again. B, the object accelerated, stopped, then accelerated again. C, the object moved with a constant speed, stopped, then moved with a different constant speed. 46. The unit of force most commonly used by scientists is A, kilogram, B, newtons, or C, meters per second squared. 47. If the net force acting on a moving object is 0, the object A, stops immediately due to no force pushing it, B, slowed down, eventually coming to rest, or C, keep moving with the exact same speed and direction. 48. Which of the following will be appropriate unit for measuring gravitational force? Which one measures gravitational force? A, force, C, gravity, G, gravity, or D, newtons. 49. The main difference between Newton's first law, N1, and second law, N2, is that A, N1 happens when an object is starting from rest, and N2 after it's already been moving. Or B, N1 deals with mass, force, and acceleration, and N2 deals with mass, weight, and gravity. C, both describe motion of objects, N1 when there is 0 net force, and N2 at any net force. And 50. The value of acceleration due to gravity is approximately what? A, 1 meter per second second, B, negative 10 meters per second second, or C, positive 10 meters per second second. Move on to part 3 of the physics exam. Thank you.